Alright, so we start off today's video with this DIY mushroom table set. And one of the hottest trends that we're actually seeing right now is the look of mushroom inspired decor. It's huge on TikTok. Oh, I love the different multicolored. This is so cute. Such a nice little vibe for the kids too. I love that idea. Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. So here we have a table. Oh, I think is she using foam for this? No, there's no way that's foam. No way that's foam. It looked like it was foam though, but there's no way that that's foam. Wow, such a cute table. And it doesn't seem like a really complicated project to replicate. Really cool idea. Oh, a hanging planter, that's cute. Looks like she's doing some type of shelving of some sorts. Oh, wow. That was all for her entryway. How to make fancy toilet paper like a hotel. Okay, sometimes you want to feel like you're at a hotel. Cute idea. Okay, so we have someone painting their couch pink. Now, I did not know that you can paint a couch. Four layers of paint. I feel like you might be able to get away with doing this on like a decorative couch, not one that you like actually sit on and stuff, but I don't know, it does look pretty good. Then we got a furniture flip. So they bought this from Facebook Marketplace. And this is by Flip Daddy, I believe the name is. I did a whole feature on her a couple of videos ago. And her furniture transformations are so inspiring. They look absolutely unreal, amazing. A lot of them are like West Elm inspired, high-end designers. Wow. Absolutely unreal. Amazing. Very talented. So we have someone who is doing another couch DIY here. So she's using curtain to do the fabric. Whoa, well that's actually pretty legit. I feel like though, wouldn't it be cheaper to just get like a couch cover and do that one? I don't know, because eventually those curtains, you buy like several of them, that's gonna add up pretty quickly. So oh, we got a fancy napkin DIY here. I love the print. This is really cute. Oh, that would be for like a nice cute little spring DIY or Mother's Day if you have people coming over. Okay, so we have someone doing an Ikea hack here. So they have the bread boxes. It looks like he's adding his own touch to this. Oh, I cannot wait to see what he's gonna do. Oh my gosh, I'm already in the vision. So it looks like he's doing a shelf in between. This is insane. Wow. So he basically took that TikTok trend and elevated it. That is crazy. Wow. Amazing. All right, so we got a thrifted furniture flip once again. Ooh, really pretty, like rust tone. Okay, so they wanted to maintain that print that was on the top and then just paint the rest. I think they did an amazing job with this one. I like that little print that they have on the top too. Very pretty. Pull out garbage cans. Ooh, we need these. Oh wow, they did an amazing job with this. Wow. So cool. Oh, we might have another furniture flip. Oh my gosh, a table with $1? Oh, this is Flip Daddy once again. So I guess she's decided to do like the tile trend for this one. It kind of sucks though that she was only able to find one. But I mean, it was $1, so. Oh, I love the fact that she did circle tile. That's really cool. Wow. Oh, that came out amazing. It looks like little pearls. Alright, you guys, so if you want to see more DIY project ideas and reactions, you can check out this video next.